Right, guys, so now we're going to be adding decimals again. So we've done this already, but we're going to just do a quick review of it. So to remember, for this section, you were solving using any strategy. So you can literally draw a picture. You can just use the standard algorithm. I don't care as long as the work adds up correctly. So the one thing you're going to notice is that your numbers are written horizontally. So always remember, horizontally is that flat line. Always think of the horizon, like where the sun comes out. So you can't solve this showing your work like this. You're gonna have to rewrite it. And I know some of you probably could do this in your head, but always remember, when you have space, please show me your work. So you're gonna have to rewrite your problem. Now remember, to add decimals, all you are doing is lining up your decimals first. And I'm gonna show you the correct way to do this and the incorrect way to do this. So to line up first, you know what, I'm gonna show you the correct way first. So you need to line up your decimals first. So 2.40 really is 2 40 hundredths plus 1 8/10. This is how you would correctly write that problem to solve it. Now, I always tell you that when you have spaces like this, where you have a number in the place value that you're gonna add, always imagine that there is a 0 there when there's nothing. And now you just add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 8 is 12, leave the 2, carry the 1, drop that decimal. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. This is your answer. All right. So now this is the correct way to do it. Now I'm gonna show you the incorrect way, because believe it or not, we do have students that still make mistakes with this, which is fine because you are learning how to do this correctly. So now a lot of you are gonna be, some students write like this. They always write the first one correctly, but then they are like, oh, it's 1.8. This is incorrect, and you're gonna see why. The sum you get for this problem is close, but not as close as it should be. So 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus that imaginary 0 is 2. Well, here's the kicker. You have the decimal in 2 different spots. So you're basically telling me that the answer is 2.5.8. This is the incorrect way, which is why it's super important. Ooh, and this is how messed up I did. I gave my smiley face a sad face for the correct way. No, 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 no. This is the happy way. This is the sad way. Okay? Line up your decimals when you add. Can't state that more. All right, so then you're just going to do that problem for the correct way with all the other ones. And with any problem in this packet, you have to add decimals by lining up. Same with subtracting. The only time you don't ever have to line up your decimals is when you're multiplying and dividing, because you're dividing into a house. All right, and that's all you're doing.